What's going on YouTube? This is Andre Classic Cuts reporting live with another video, and in this one I'm basically going to describe how to make like a high side fade. As you can see, my client here, he's clearly like has mixed type of hair texture. He's not actually mixed, in reality he's Colombian, but as you can clearly see, his hair is really good and really straight and kind of mixed in between straight and curly. But with that being said, 9 times out of 10, when you actually go up higher for these particular type of fades, they'll actually come out looking better versus if somebody with like coarse hair or like a normal black person's hair, you can actually fade it without going up so high and it'll still really just pop. But certain people, certain mixed type of hair texture people, it's better to go really high to really just make that fade just pop out automatically. So I'm pretty much going to go through the steps for if you ever have like a mixed client and you're really trying to make the fade just really pop, especially with a part to just go with it to end off the cut. So as you can clearly see at the very bottom near the beard area, I actually ended up making that with my lever all the way open with no guard on it, because like I always say, if you use the lever all the way open and actually cut that area, you'll still have hair, but you could barely see it until you actually line it up. So that's why I'm gonna actually go in with my fast feeds, put that lever all the way open, don't put any guard on it, and go all the way up to that point, and then actually start with my actual circle motion right there, right next to the ear. You should never go higher than the ear at that point. After that, I'm gonna actually go up one more time, the same thing with the curve with the circular motion, but I'm gonna make sure that at this point it lines up with the box area of whatever his type of hair line up on the edge of it actually is, because I don't want to go too high because I still want to make it be a complete blend. But if I actually go all the way up to where his box area is, he should be pretty good. So from there, I'm actually going with my zero guard with my lever closed, of course, and then I'm actually go up there. Then from there, I'm gonna brush everything. As always, after every single fade step, you have to brush down everything just to make sure. Every time you actually go up, everything won't cut. So sometimes you have to like brush everything down, get your clippers, and then just go back over the same spot probably 1, 2, maybe even 3 times. But once you do that, then you go to the next step. So from there, I'm gonna get my zero guard, which is already on there from the zero guard being closed, except I'm gonna just open the lever up and I'm gonna just go up like 1 more inch, and I'm gonna still use like that same circular motion, people. It's like 1 inch every single time when I do this step. And I'm gonna just go up 1 more time, and from here, 9 times out of 10 when you actually do this, it won't even look faded until you actually get to the point of having the 1 guard with the lever all the way open. Then everything will actually look blended. So from this point, when you actually start and you're looking at it and you're like, bro, like this really don't look like it's fading, don't worry, because the very final step is what actually makes it looks like a really smooth fade. So just keep at it, be consistent, don't doubt yourself, and just keep going with the flow until the product is completely finished. And that pretty much concludes this video. Shout out to all my mixed people out there that's just been struggling with getting really dope fades. Y'all barbers, y'all need to go out there and use these tips, make sure them fades is popping. Also, I just want to say, hey, well, like, what other videos would you guys like for me to make? Like clipper videos, haircut videos. I'm also keep making these picture videos too, because a lot of people keep seeming to watch them and a lot of people keep giving me good feedback. So definitely gonna keep with these pictures, and I'm trying to come up with like some new video ideas. If anybody got some video ideas about like fade, taper, and lines up, just let me know. Also got a fast feed video coming out soon, and that's pretty much it. I'm out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to your boy Andre Classic Cuts, and make sure y'all hit that bell right there so y'all be notified every single time I drop new heat. And more importantly, I'm always on like Twitter or Instagram, but mostly Instagram, and I try to like follow back every single person, and I drop pictures of my cuts on a regular basis. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll follow you back instantly. And I'm out.